Imagine a still pond. The water is so calm that it mirrors the sky perfectly, creating a seamless blend of blue and white. The surface is undisturbed, a perfect reflection of the world above. The surface is calm, reflecting the clear blue sky. You can see the clouds drifting lazily, their shapes undistorted by ripples or waves. This serene image is a metaphor for a peaceful mind. This is your mind when you meditate. Just like the still pond, your thoughts settle and your mind becomes a mirror, reflecting clarity and tranquility. Life is often busy and chaotic. The hustle and bustle of daily life can feel overwhelming, with constant noise and activity pulling us in different directions. Our minds are filled with thoughts, worries, and endless to-do lists. Meditation offers a refuge. It provides a moment to step back, to breathe, and to find a sense of calm amidst the storm. It's a practice that helps you find peace within. By taking time to meditate, you create a sanctuary for your mind, a place where you can retreat and recharge. By calming your mind, you can experience less stress and more joy in your everyday life. The benefits of meditation extend beyond the moments you spend in practice. They ripple out into every aspect of your life. Meditation is not about emptying your mind completely. It's about creating space for stillness and presence. It's about allowing your thoughts to come and go without getting caught up in them. It's about training your mind to be present, to focus, and to find stillness amidst the chaos. Through regular practice, you can cultivate a sense of inner peace that remains with you, even in the busiest of times. So, take a moment each day to sit quietly, to breathe deeply, and to let your mind become like that still pond. In doing so, you will find the calm in the chaos and a deeper connection to yourself and the world around you. Meditation is like exercise for your mind. Just like physical exercise strengthens your body, meditation strengthens your mind. One of the biggest benefits is stress reduction. Meditation teaches you to observe your thoughts without judgment. This helps you detach from negative thoughts and emotions. Meditation also improves focus and concentration. By training your mind to stay present, you can improve your attention span and focus on tasks more effectively. Furthermore, meditation cultivates self-awareness. You become more in tune with your thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations. Starting a meditation practice is a journey, not a race. It's important to have realistic expectations. Your mind will wander, and that's okay. Don't get discouraged if you find your mind drifting during meditation. It's natural. The key is to gently guide your attention back to your breath or your chosen point of focus. Remember, meditation is a practice. It takes time and patience to develop. Be kind to yourself and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. You don't have to meditate for hours to experience the benefits. Start small. Even 5 minutes a day can make a difference. Find a time that works best for you, whether it's first thing in the morning, during your lunch break, or before bed. Consistency is key. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually increase your meditation time. The most important thing is to establish a regular practice. Create a dedicated space for meditation. It doesn't have to be elaborate. A quiet corner in your room or a comfortable spot in nature will do. Having a designated space helps signal to your mind that it's time to meditate. Make your space inviting and calming. You can add elements like candles, incense, or calming music to enhance your practice. The key is to create an environment that promotes relaxation and focus. Finding your guide in the digital age. There are many guided meditation apps available that can help you get started. Apps like Headspace and Calm offer a wide variety of guided meditations for different purposes. These apps provide structure and guidance, especially for beginners. They offer timed meditations, soothing background music, and different voices to choose from. Guided meditations can help you focus your attention and learn different techniques. Experiment with different apps and find one that resonates with you. Navigating the distractions within. Distractions are a normal part of meditation. They can come in many forms, whether it's a stray thought, an itch, or a noise from the outside world. Don't get discouraged if your mind wanders. It's natural for the mind to drift, especially when you're just starting out. Simply acknowledge the thought and gently redirect your attention back to your breath or your chosen point of focus. This act of returning to the present moment is the essence of meditation. External distractions like noises or interruptions can also occur. These can be particularly challenging, but they offer an opportunity to deepen your practice. If possible, try to minimize these distractions by finding a quiet space and letting others know you need some quiet time. Creating a dedicated meditation space can be very helpful. Remember, meditation is a practice, and it's not about being perfect. Each session is a new opportunity to learn and grow. It's about showing up consistently and cultivating a sense of inner peace. Over time, you'll find that these distractions become less bothersome and your ability to focus will improve. Consider keeping a meditation journal to track your progress and reflect on your experiences. This can help you see how far you've come and identify patterns in your practice. Sometimes, meditating with a group can also help you stay focused and motivated. Sharing the experience with others can provide support and encouragement. Ultimately, the goal is to find a sense of calm and clarity amidst the chaos. With patience and persistence, you'll learn to navigate the distractions within and find your inner peace. Celebrating milestones, cultivating consistency. Celebrate your small wins. Each small step you take towards your goal is a victory in itself. These moments of joy and recognition are essential in building a positive mindset. Acknowledge yourself for making time for meditation, even if it's just for a few minutes. Every moment you dedicate to this practice is a testament to your commitment to self-care and personal growth. Reflect on these moments and appreciate the effort you put in. The more you celebrate your efforts, the more motivated you'll be to continue. Positive reinforcement is a powerful tool. By recognizing your achievements, you create a cycle of encouragement and motivation that propels you forward. Remember that consistency is key to experiencing the long-term benefits of meditation. Establishing a routine helps in making meditation a natural part of your daily life. Over time, this consistency will lead to profound changes in your mental and emotional well-being. Over time, you'll notice a shift in your overall well-being. The peace and contentment you feel during meditation will start to permeate other areas of your life. You'll find yourself more at ease and better equipped to handle stress. You may find yourself feeling calmer, more focused, and more resilient in the face of challenges. Meditation trains your mind to stay present and composed even in the midst of chaos. This resilience is one of the greatest gifts of a consistent meditation practice. Meditation is a gift you give yourself, and its rewards are immeasurable. The journey of meditation is deeply personal and unique to each individual. Embrace this journey and cherish the moments of tranquility and insight it brings. The benefits you reap will extend far beyond the time you spend in meditation. Your journey to inner peace begins now. Meditation is a powerful tool for cultivating inner peace, reducing stress, and improving focus. Remember to start small, be kind to yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. There are many resources available to support your practice, including guided meditation apps and online communities. Embrace the journey and enjoy the transformative power of meditation. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are your biggest challenges when it comes to meditation? Share your thoughts in the comments below.